We want to tell you about something really exciting happening June 9th to 12th. It's Well Now Camp for Plant-Based Women Warriors, and that's you. We have such fun at this camp, and what's best about it is that we're together. Everybody's together. It's camp, it's intimate, it's not a ton of people. There's like 40, 50 of us. We have classes that we take that are just fun classes, arts and crafts, improv.
Yoga, hiking. It's so beautiful.
And what we're so excited about is that we're doing cooking demos and doing samples of recipes from our new cookbook coming out. So you guys are going to taste things literally before the book comes out in August.
But I also want to invite all of you to try something crazy, and that is you get to have an opportunity to drag a tire in a race, kind of a race.
No, we have, fake field events kind of things.
I mean, silly.
Anne drags
So
a tire to stay in shape, and you put a waistband on and you literally drag a tire and a rope behind you, and we're going to have Anne's tire dragging relay.
Woo! I love this. I just feel like every part of me is getting the best workout. But I can't think of anything more fun than having it for two people at camp. So and then there's, of course, whenever Jane's around, there's dancing.
I love dancing. We're having a dance party. We always have a dance party, and we have some wonderful entertainment.
I mean, it is a really special 4 days. And it's so special that I choose it over going to a college reunion.
Be there. We'll see you there. We can't wait to see you there. We'd love to see you there. Again, in this time of isolation that's been happening, this togetherness, let's just eradicate loneliness and get together. See you there.
Bye.
Bye-bye.